Hey ho, welcome back, guys, to another session of Build Break and Fix, brought to you by the only rule coded for today, which is, yep, you guessed it, the one that's talking, obviously. Um, yeah, so yeah, really good to be back for another session, and let's do the acknowledgement of the country and pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, and future. So, here we go. I begin today by acknowledging the traditional custodians of the land on which we gather today and pay my respects to the elders past, present, and future. I extend that respect to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people here today. Fantastic. That was smoothly done, isn't it? All right, guys. So in today's, so just so you know, Tori won't become, Finish, isn't with us anymore, sadly. Yeah, but let's get the pie popping and have some fun. Hey, Gegdev, good to hear from you. Oops, that was my burp. I just had dinner, a big one and a tasty one. Ah. And I'm kind of still hungry, but I don't know why I don't want to eat more. Interesting. Anyway, yeah, so I guess I'll choose a letter this time, which would be L. There we go. Cool. All right, so just a bit of a context on what we did yesterday. So what we did was we went on a journey to implement to save the notes that are coming through the WebSocket into DynamoDB. And I guess I really hope that Tori managed to push the code. If not, then we will have to start from scratch. So let's see how we go over there. Alright, I'll just share my screen and let's get it rolling. Okay, so I'll open up my terminal and actually I might already have the code opened. Yep, there we go. Brilliant. Okay, let's see if the code has been saved. I'll do git pull. Run setup, no. Hang on, so I've already got how many changes? Purify, that was working on. No, don't need that one, don't need that one either. Internal. Yeah, wouldn't need this one either. Actually, how about if we just switch to another branch? How many branches have we got? Let's have a look, shall we? Branch, so there's that one, board. Okay, save new notes, concurrent users. Yeah, that was the one. So we're already on that one, aren't we? Yes, we are on that one already, I guess. Save new, right. Huh, okay, cool. So apparently, the code hasn't been pushed up. I just confirmed that. The last merge request, no. Pinpoint, no. Oh, that's just front end. Yeah, we are on the front end. Yep, that hasn't been pushed up. Cool. So we will have to start again. from the point where we are giving that one. So that was like right, okay. So what we need to do is basically wow, why am I yawning too much? Okay, so draw new card. We have that over here. So basically what we need to do is this is our get message action init card. So we need to dispatch WebSocket message. Port ID is then send is there. Dispatches, this one action default. Any messages? No. So this is not being used. So what we want to do is when we want to send all of them. So get all the notes from the board itself and then just to save it in that way. So board columns array, post board columns, no, we don't need that. Post patch on notes on save. So no, we don't need that one. Failure message, populate board notes map. Populate board notes map. Notes from DB, no. So this is just bringing the D. Oh my god, why am I yawning that much? Any comments? No. So what we need to do is I know why, because I'm feeling really hot and eventually relaxed, and that's where the sleep is coming in. Interesting. Now I need to focus. All right. So the logic that we're gonna basically use is we're gonna as in take all the notes that are on the UI at that present and save those ones. So if I this is gonna require testing offline again. Interesting. So get message, popular board, notes map, dispatch. Okay, that one is there. Send a WebSocket message to the API. Form valid note. KUUID. Oh wow. Board from query. No. So I guess the first part that we want to look at is we want to get all the notes from the WebSocket. So or we want to get all the notes from the UI itself. But how are we gonna determine as in which notes, as in which ones are those? I think no. Ah. Du, 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 du. So go to board URL. Form valid note. Function dispatch. So this is basically dispatching WebSocket message. Not if that one is board ID is undefined, then have the one, otherwise have null. Then both send the message as in dispatch JSON stringify dispatch JSON didn't dispatch it and then send it. Right. So sends a WebSocket message to API gateway. But first we want to include the WebSocket cards or notes that are coming in. Again, but we will need to test. We would have to implement that. Okay. Popular board notes. Event cards in script.js. What's the due date for this? The due date for this is hopefully this month, but let's see how we go. So any cards in script.js. Right. Okay. Um, so if this is the dispatch WebSocket message, which is which is just sending the message, and it calls the script get board notes. Post patch notes and save. That's not that one. So that one comes. Yeah, so they will come through here. The WebSocket message. So this is connecting to the WebSocket only, nothing else. And then this is sends a message to API gateway, which in turn sends to all the other users. So I think we would need to do something over here. They're sending the dispatch and send, and then is sending it. So basically something here. So you want to do it after you send it? No, I want to do it before I send the message. So let's check what's dispatch coming up as. Let's do that, console that one, and then probably deploy it. Oh, I'd have to re-upload this. Wow, this is gonna be a bit of a long one now. But yeah, let's do it. Okay. And my MFA code. Oh, come on. Is 340607. I want to test something, but I don't want to put this online. Actually, what I might do is put this. Hey, hey, Tori, really good to have you, mate. Yeah, I want to test something. I'm thinking that might work, but I want to I don't want to put the do the testing online. So what I'm gonna do is just basically call it a day and continue working on it on offline and see how we go. But yeah, I'll still be working though, although offline, because unless you guys say that you won't do anything that I'm expecting to, I'm more than happy to work online, because it is actually slowing slowing down the project. All right, yeah, I'll take that as a, yeah, I can go offline and work on it because I'm not gonna get, yeah, no promises. Yep, cool guys. So I'll probably call it a day now and work on it offline. I really want to see if the thing that I've actually gone through and the approach that I'm thinking would work or not. So basically, what I want to do is check if what's being sent in the dispatch. So over here, what's being sent here, and if I can basically use this to get the notes that are coming from the WebSocket as well. See if that works. All right. But yeah, guys, thank you very much for joining. I really appreciate every one of you. And and yes, let's sanitize the back end. Oh, okay. I see where you're coming from now, Tori. Yeah, I think that's actually a good point. We can focus on the back end, and then when the stream is over, I can basically focus on this part. All right, yeah, let's do that. Good shout. All right, so I'll share my screen. Uh, do, 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 do. Okay, cool. So let's do this. So the front end is gone out the window for now. Open folder, SAM API. Okay, so we need to sanitize what's coming in the back end as well. So let's do that. So first of all, what we would need, I actually just want to check if you guys can see my screen. Yes, you can. All right, cool. Right. Honestly, at the moment, my brain is half alive only. But yeah, let's do this. So sanitize text. Sanitize text to HTML node. Sanitize HTML. How can I sanitize my input values in Node? Yep, that's exactly what we want. Uh, for most of the frameworks, you can use sanitize node module, right? Let's use this one. Actually, why am I on keep live web connection? That's not even the right branch. We need to switch. We need to switch the branches. Therefore, no. Keep alive, refactoring, saving nodes. Websocket integration, no. Get game board names. Get board name function. No. Okay, cool. We need to create another branch. Checkout B. Sanitize backend. Text backend. Okay, cool. So let's do this, and now we need to do npm actually where is our so all the packages are no here. Why is the two of these? Okay, no, not on there. Dev dependent, so it would probably be on this one. Yeah, because all of them are here. Dev dependencies, cool. So it will be on there, and we will do sanitize save. Cool. Let's see, where did it install it? Where did it install? Remove or edit free packages. Let me close this and then reopen it. Package.json. Sanitize, no sanitizing. No sanitizing. Interesting. There has to be somewhere here. Ah, there we go. Hopefully it's in here. Yes, sanitizes in dependencies. Cool. So how do we use this? Just wrap the whole project in the sanitizer. Right, I see. Wrap the whole project in the sanitizer. Yeah, so I've just done that. Wrapped it all in sanitizer. So now what we need to do is basically doing requires sanitize. So we go into our app.js and then do a require sanitize here. So const sanitize require sanitize. Was it like that? Yes, that was like that. Why have they got these round brackets as well? It doesn't make sense. It says it should be listed in the project dependencies run to a side, Oh right, okay, so I need to add it in this one. In the client. Why is it not picking it up? Scrum, right, anyway, Scrambler's API. Scrambler API. Okay, and then add it there. Alright, so this one comes here. Dev dependencies, sanitize is here. So now what we need to do is go back to our app. Cool, that works. And then what we need to do is any comments? No, good. Then what we need to do is basically use it. So how do we use it? We use sanitize the value itself. So we just basically have to sanitize this text or the node text. So if we go down, notes text, text string, valid code, no structure, type note type is valid note. Here we go. So we can basically sanitize it here. Type of note is object. Yeah, so sanitize it. Actually, well, we need to think of another variable for sanitizer. Any comments there? No, that's brilliant. Come on, I got this. Positive self-talk always helps. All right, cool. So we have our notes coming here all the way, and then what we need to do basically is let sanitized note equals what was that again? Rather sanitizer and then value and then the object name and then its type, I guess. So sanitizer, actually I need the sanitizer. Sanitizer, and then it would be value, then it would be note, and then string. Would this not be it? Oh, okay, it's an object, so I would need to do note dot text. Possibly space is required. Fine, have this your way. Yes, length. There should be no space before. Okay, sanitize note, and then if I do sanitize note, actually note is sanitize note. Okay, and then we can use this part here. Is never signed, use const. Assignment to function parameter. Okay, so if I redo this one equals this. So basically I'm saying that this is sanitized note, and then I want to put sanitized notes equals to the notes. No. I wanted the other way around. Equals to sanitize no. And the reason why I want it in this way is because I don't want to change all these variables, as in this one. So I'll rather sanitize the note in the parameter here, and then assign the sanitized value to this parameter. Hopefully, actually sanitize no text. No, that wouldn't make sense. Any comments we have from our lovely viewers? No, not at the moment. So sanitize note, that's a string, it's now unused const. Okay. Then time to property or function parameter, that one. No primary assign. Note. So this is an object, is it? Yeah, that's an object. No, that's not. Actually, is a valid note. Yeah, that is an object. Yeah. So this would basically be note dot text equals sanitized note text. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this is there, and then what we basically need to do is the rest comes as it is. Right, I see. So the rest of it folds in that way. And then the text comes as string. The valid notes key, check the key length. Position is no position, that one. Turn false, and if type of note no left, so type of top is not top, then return false. Check whether valid prop is string alphanumeric board. Check if note is valid. Yeah, so this is checking if note is valid. So I want to see how is it sanitizing it now. That's my next goal. So how can I even tell that if it's sanitizing it? Then you use in that way, yeah. For more can go through sanitize. If you're using Express, then you can validate sanitize using Express validator and Express sanitize input packages as follows. Oh, right. So that's, we don't want to do we just want to do the text. So that would come as minimum 3, yeah. For more information, go over there and validate it's been true if you're using happy wow. If you don't use third-party module and want to sanitize using the built-in code, you can try the following. Actually, I want to see the documentation of it. Input sanitizing library. So the libraries for purpose of sanitizing user input. The example below shows some of the built-in sanitizers. You can create a custom sanitizer purifier tools. Right, so this is testing it, which is fine. So it's express that one. Require sanitizing middleware. Ping it, that one is query int, and then sending pong. Sanitize primitive object, plain object, and this will remove all keys from the plain object that are not string. Is great for sanitizing value. Is great for sanitizing the object. Yeah. Great for sanitizing object before inserting the value. Can require. So we would need express middleware. Request body string. Oh, this is harder than I thought it would be. Right. This will remove all keys from plain object that are not string. They are not string, integer, or boolean. It's great for sanitizing objects before. So we just want to sanitize the string, that's all. Not the header. Yeah, we don't want to touch the header. We want to touch the body. Yeah, so body string, body param string, then that one. Query string, no, we don't need a query string. We need actually param string. Param string, yeah. We're gonna need that. Wow, okay, this is the first time I'm working with this. So usage is in that way. Get, listen, pong. So reduce sanitize middleware, and then it's just simply doing, it just sanitizing the middleware. Any comments? No, good. So how do we test this now? npm test. So does that mean that it will prevent it? So the user will enter, but it won't let the user even enter. I'm a bit confused. So sanitize is when the user enters, but they won't be able to enter because it's being sanitized. Right. App listen. Require app use require middleware. So if we check in this one, so we're just sanitizing the no text. That's all we want to do. Sanitize no text. So once it comes here, will it even check? So when it sanitizes it, what does it do basically? Will it just not allow the user to enter anything? A string history offers the value you want to match the result you want to allow. So you can use this sanitizer on. There's just an example to show how it works. It should be like matching sanitizer value. Oh, or regular expression, right? So that's the. So basically, this is just an example. I need to tell it how will it look like in that way. Or regular expression instead of ABC123. Go through document. Actually, let's go through the documentation because I'm really confused. Well, okay, never mind. It brought me back here. Is there no good links for nodes sanitizer? Sanitize the note. Sanitize note. Validate and sanitize an Express.js form. Voice Express validator is to validate and sanitize your JS form. It's based on validator.js and allows you to utilize this valid function, create custom apply form via use validator. Then here it's using create include Express.js. That one, which is fine. Insert login code here. And then what we will listen on. And payments to Express validator. Okay, validate, right. Identify the rules for input. Before you write validation for you must identify what criteria the input must meet. For example, username, validate, right, okay. Choose validation. It's email, right. Well, okay. Validate, add validation post, post, username must be an email, add sanitization. In this project, we use free sanitization method, trim, escape, and normalize email. Oh, so here's how we add sanitization. Sanitation. We add trim, escape to check our password. Right. Mm, uh, oh wait, oh boy, using registers sanitize this the input. What could go wrong? I haven't get that. No, I haven't sanitized anything before. No, my hands, elbow, legs, nothing. Right. I am. My mind is getting focused now. Um, this is actually my first time using this sanitizing thing. Oh, sanitize. What's this? This is experimental method interface used to use is to sanitize a tree of DOM nodes, removing any unwanted elements or attributes. So when we basically want to sanitize it, we would have to tell it what we want to sanitize, isn't it? Yes, that's how it would work. Sanitize, new sanitizer, and then get a unsanitized frame tree, yeah, document. Sanitize the document tree and update the frame. Update the frame. Constant sanitized frame. Tree and place children. Right, guys. I am having a really hard time to focus. To be honest, I'm gonna probably call it a day and do some things afterwards if I can. If not, then it'll have to be tomorrow. I can't. Yeah, stay here and just waste everyone's time though. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for joining. It is kind of a bit of a progress, but yeah, we are getting there, and yeah, we'll come back to it tomorrow. Hopefully, there's a lot more progress there. I'm really hoping. Actually, we're gonna make it happen. So if you want to see us how we progress tomorrow, uh, join us at same time, same place, and a different task. All right. Oh well, not a different task. See, I'm not even realizing what I'm talking at the moment. But yeah, um, this the same task. All right, guys. Catch you later. Have a good night. Bye bye.